There, black dog's my Blue Bay Shepherd Kurgan. That's my German Shepherd Lobo. It is April 3rd, 6 a.m. Clip 4. Down in the Mississippi River Valley. Currently going through the floodplain. Beautiful morning. About, I don't know, 25 degrees or so. Got a nice fresh powder of 2-3 inches with more coming down. Come along. Absolutely beautiful morning in the valley. I know I say that every video, but it's true. Been having some issues related to my injury lately that have been acting up with my back and leg. Feels good to get out and walk this morning and loosen that stuff up. I started this vlog and do these walks as rehabilitation for a pretty crippling injury I had on the job several years back. I got hit by a truck as an animal warden, loading an injured dog into my vehicle. Did a number on my back and leg. Couldn't walk for a while and used a cane for a few years. Rehabilitation's been a slow process, but I'm a fighter and it goes on. Beautiful morning. I love it when it's snowing like this. It's some of my favorite weather to hike in. Don't mind the sniffles. I have snow hitting me in the face that keeps melting and running down my face, so it's just kind of a reflex. No, I'm not a cokehead. I just say no to that stuff. And everybody else should too. There's a guy that played drums in several local punk bands in my teens and early 20s. I seen too many friends go down to drugs. It's just not worth it. It's ruined too many good people I know.